Hello everybody, it's time to go to the gym because it's leg day. And I'm pretty sure that these legs are way too tall, but we will figure it out in a couple of days here when we try to put it in its place. But let's get them attached for now, and if they don't work, I'm just going to go ahead and make some wood legs here for it. So as always, it starts with measuring 40 times. The slots on these legs were a little more narrow than usual, so I had to use a drill bit to do it as opposed to the Forstner bit. And there's the Forstner bit making an appearance. Much easier to control the depth because it doesn't pull itself through the wood like a normal drill bit would. After that, we hit it with a countersink bit. I keep mine permanently attached to this old Black & Decker drill. So a lot of people are using those press fixtures for their drill bits. You don't really need it unless you can't hold the drill within like 2 or 3 degrees of straight up and down. And for these inserts, if I can do it, trust me, you can do it. Here we're just heating up an insert before it goes in the epoxy, and this is real time, so this is as long as you heat it up for. And that's only when you're going directly into the epoxy. The rest of them, just go ahead and use a little bit of wood glue on it because it'll lubricate them up going in. I don't know if it helps hold it, but it definitely makes the insertion easier. And then we just go ahead and do the same thing on the other side and rock and roll. We are done putting the inserts in. All we have to do is attach the legs, do a test fit. If it all fits, you can box that puppy up and ship it to your customer. And remember, it's okay to be weird with wood.